This is the Framework Laptop 16. This is our newest product. We just opened pre-orders a couple of weeks ago. The demand has been insane, and the booth has been basically mobbed the last couple of days with people getting hands-on with it. And really the two new pretty exciting things are, one, the input system is totally hot swappable and modular, and then two, the graphics is actually modular and upgradable as well. So really bringing that desktop style discrete modular graphics into what you can see is like a pretty thin and light mobile form factor. And I can show just a quick demo of swapping out the input modules. So it's actually hot swappable while the system is still on. And we had some LED matrix modules in there just a second ago, but we can take this keyboard, slide it over to the side, and then drop in a numpad, which of course a bunch of people have a strong desire for. And then we can just slide the input modules right back into place, the touchpad and these spacers, and then that's it. It's just back up and running. And then, oh, it went to sleep, but yeah, it's just back up and running, and that's reconfigured. And then we're not swapping it live right now, but you can shut down and then also be able to swap out the expansion bay to be able to go from just integrated graphics to being able to have a discrete graphics module. And this is a Radeon 7700S, so AMD's current latest. And then beyond that, we've been showing some ways to reuse different modules. So just as an example, we've got a eGPU enclosure. This is just a prototype, but the idea here is that when you're not using your graphics module or you've upgraded a new one, you could actually take your old one, drop it in, and be able to reuse it with USB 4 Thunderbolt connection. And then similarly, we're showing this case that we built with Cooler Master, which is actually just this simple, super thin little case. And it's got a Framework Laptop mainboard inside of it. So basically, if you're upgrading the mainboard in your Framework Laptop, which you can do, you can take your old one, and instead of it just sitting in a drawer, you can drop it into a little case and turn it into a second little small form factor PC. So it's all about reuse and upgradability and modularity. For the Framework Laptop 16, we have pre-orders open now as of a couple of weeks ago. The first orders are shipping in Q4 of this year, but we actually have had just a ton of demand, so orders are currently out in Q1. And for the Framework Laptop 13, we are actually in stock now on the Intel version, and the AMD version will be shipping soon, and pre-orders are out in Q4.